Hi everybody. Today I would like to show you how to make ginger pickle. During the last 2 weeks I talked a lot about ways in which we can improve our digestion through reducing our stress levels. So I said take 3 or more deep breaths in to improve your digestion and bring the stress levels down. Ginger pickle is a way in which we can improve our digestion through food. What ginger does is it ignites the digestive fire in our stomach, the stomach acid that we need in order to break down the food, and especially the carbs and the protein, so that we can absorb the nutrients from it. And if that doesn't happen, then it doesn't matter what we eat, we're not going to get the nutrients from the food. So we might just as well not eat anything. So reduce stress levels by taking 3 deep breaths in and have some ginger pickle, just 1 slice before lunch or dinner to ignite this digestive fire and get this breakdown process going. So what you need is some ginger and also some lime, because lime is is a good way to make our bile flow better, and we need bile in order to break down the fat we eat. And the third ingredient is salt, and salt helps us retain fluid in the body, and we need a lot of fluid in order to make stomach acid, bile, and also digestive enzymes, again to break down the food we eat. So this is really a brilliant combination, and it's also not so, it's quite fiery but not unpleasant. And it has the side effect of actually killing germs in the mouth and the throat. So I can heartily recommend this. So we take a chunk of ginger and cut it in a smaller piece, and then peel it. And then just cut it into bite-sized slices that you can eat. So like, let's see what we can do. I would say a slice like this. You can see it. Can be a bit bigger if you like. And just make sure you've got enough for at the most a week, because it does go off even if you refrigerate it. So I'm going to make a little bit more. And then I should have enough for a week. So a handful. And I've got this container, and I just put it in. And then I get half a lime. Unfortunately, I forgot my lime squeezer, so I'm going to do it by hand. So you don't need a half a lime, but I use the juice of half a lime. A little bit less is also fine. And then just add some salt. And that's it. Just a little bit. Up to you how much salt you want to add. Don't make it too salty, of course. Just a little bit, and then shake it all about and put it in the fridge. And also have a slice. It's nearly lunchtime. The best time to have it is half an hour, because it actually improves your appetite. And good appetite, strong appetite is a sign that your stomach acid is at the right level and that you're ready to eat something. So half an hour, but if you forget, just eat a slice before you eat anything else, and it will improve your digestion. Okay, I hope this helps, and see you soon.